Dr. Bhupesh Garg, I bring all the greetings and wishes from all the faculties and the team of Speed for scoring an excellent and wonderful rank NEET SS super specialty of an MCH
Yes,
of
that's good.
cardiothoracic and vascular surgery,
Yes,
rank
sir.
number 38.
38 years, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Yes,
And
sir.
we also want to know about Dr. Bhupesh, where he started his medicine, where he did his MS, and what he wants to do, what he wants to do in cardiothoracic. Is do you want to do
I
cardiothoracic?
I'm basically from sir, Punjab. My dad is a farmer. Okay, I'm the first graduate in my family.
Great, really great and wonderful. Great.
My dad is very fond of studying, but he didn't get the chance to study. So he's living the dream through us. So, so I did my MBBS from Bangalore, BMC. Then I did my general surgery from Indraprastha Apollo, Delhi. So then
Excellent.
after that, sir, during my DNB time, I had got interested in vascular surgery. That's why I want to prepare. But I was little very confused during my SRship. After, sir, I cleared my DNB in first attempt. That was big boost for me. After that, sir,
Great.
I was in first, when I finished my DNB, I gave the exam of MCH super specialty of Euro and Onco, not the vascular, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay.
Sir, till June and I was very much confused which field to choose, which field. I was prepared with the general surgery, but not with the specialty thing. So in that time, I made up my mind. So I think I prepare for the vascular and CTVS thing. So you know that, sir, in June, the time was very less. I had
Correct.
nothing, no data, nothing, and no guidance, no goal, what to do. So I planned, I discussed with my colleagues. So I found out I joined Speed. Sir, the word speed is speed. Sir, I cracked this rank in 3 months, sir. I thoroughly read only the speeds, notes, MCQ, each and every MCQ I did so many times, notes. So you know that we lot of things like name surgeries, these things, we can read, but the basics needs teaching, the brush up things that I learned from Speed, sir. That is a big help, sir. In 3 months, my dreams come true because of Speed.
Really great to know from you, and really
Sir,
happy to hear from you.
because, sir, one more thing, your Bailey notes help me a lot also.
Thank you.
But super specialty, all the faculty, especially Dr. Arun is there. I never met him. I met him with the online thing. That's it. Just read his name. But the basics concepts was amazing, sir. So thing is that if anyone wants to crack CTVS anything, just stick to the thing. Every notes, every MCQ is, I think, well prepared, well oriented to the exams, and it after when I was giving exam, I was like, it is very easy as compared to your notes and all those things, sir. You guys prepared us for the worst thing, the hard thing.
Very true.
Yes, sir. That's my journey,
So
sir.
we kept the content. We kept the content higher than the standard of exam.
Yes, sir. Exactly, sir. Exactly, sir. When I read something and start solving MCQ, always my face in the evening was like, "What happened?" My wife asked me, "What happened?" Like 2-3 times he asked me, "Okay, NEET के क्वेश्चन, स्पीड के क्वेश्चन सॉल्व किए ना तुमने बैठ के?" Yes, sir.
So
Really, sir,
really.
really helped me a lot, sir. I was goalless. I don't have any data, and time was very less, sir. 3 months I had, sir. Everything was in a single app, just me and my phone and Speed app. helped me a lot, sir.
Thank you for your great words, because the app looks very small, but people behind the app are more number of people are there.
Sir,
A lot of people work behind that,
yes,
and
sir, exactly.
definitely they will feel happy to hear from you. And this they will definitely feel happy to hear, because more than their salary and their livelihood, when they see some feedback that could they will definitely they will, when they are getting appreciated and it is helping someone, and definitely that will be a lot of boost for the faculties and the entire team.
Exactly, sir,
And
exactly. My rank is all because of the content of this speed B. I never study any other book, nothing.
great, and it's greatly motivating us. And where are you planning to join now?
Sir, I don't know that, the counseling thing is going on, that there's no peace of mind right now. I Let's counseling happen, sir. I really want to join vascular surgery, sir.
We and I think it will get resolved very shortly, and we
Yes,
hope
sir. Yes,
that
sir, sir.
it will get resolved shortly. Don't worry,
Exactly.
and you will get the places that whatever is the best in your mind, you will get
Yes,
it.
sir.
Don't worry.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much, sir,
So
for helping us in such short
and
time.
once again, I bring all the best wishes to you, and you
Thank you
have a
so much, sir.
great career in vascular.
Thank you
And
so much, sir.
your father will see as a great vascular surgeon of this country. I tell you, I God bless. I wish you all the best and all the success.
Thank you so much, sir.
Okay.